In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Liberator in Tradingview. To start, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, head over to the main charting interface. You can do this by clicking on the chart option from the Tradingview home screen. This is where you'll see your candles, indicators, and all the tools you normally use to analyze the markets. It's important that you're on this chart screen because the broker connection options live here, not on the home page. When your chart is open, look towards the bottom of the screen for a tab labeled Trading Panel. This is the area of Tradingview where you can link different brokers and trading services so you can place trades directly from the chart. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. If you don't see it right away, try slightly expanding the bottom section of your chart or scrolling down, depending on your layout. After clicking the Trading Panel, a list of available brokers and trading integrations will appear. By default, Tradingview might show only a few popular options. To reveal the full list, find and click on the button that says Show All Brokers. This expands the panel and makes sure every compatible broker and service is visible, including Liberator. This step is easy to miss, so double check that you've actually expanded the list. Once the full list is displayed, look for Liberator. You can either scroll through the list or, if Tradingview provides a search bar in your version, type Liberator into that search field to find it faster. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct entry, as some brokers or tools may have similar names. When you've located Liberator in the trading panel, click on it. You'll see an option to connect or log in. Click the Connect button, and Tradingview will open a login or authorization window specific to Liberator. Here, you'll need to enter your Liberator account details and approve the connection. Make sure you're using your official credentials and, if possible, double check that you're on the legitimate Tradingview and Liberator pages for security. Once you complete the login and authorization, Tradingview should confirm that Liberator is connected. You'll typically see Liberator listed as your active broker in the trading panel, and you'll be able to place orders directly from your charts using your Liberator account. That's all there is to it.